Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mojito cubes. This easy guide will help you prepare delicious, refreshing mojito cubes that are perfect for any occasion. You'll only need a few simple ingredients and basic kitchen tools to get started. These convenient cubes will save you time and effort when you want a quick, cool drink. First, gently muddle about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves with 2 tablespoons of white sugar in a small bowl. This releases the mint's aromatic oils. Next, squeeze the juice from 2 fresh limes and add it to the mint and sugar. Then, pour in 4 ounces of your favorite white rum. Stir everything thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a vibrant, flavorful concentrate. Now, carefully pour your delicious mojito mixture into an ice cube tray. Make sure not to overfill each compartment. Place the tray in your freezer and let it solidify for a minimum of 4 hours or until completely frozen. Once solid, you can transfer these convenient cubes into an airtight container or a freezer bag. They will stay fresh and ready to use for several weeks. When you're ready for a refreshing drink, simply grab 1 or 2 of your frozen mojito cubes and place them into a glass. Top them off with about 6 ounces of sparkling water or club soda. The cubes will slowly melt, infusing your drink with that classic mojito flavor. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh lime wedge and a sprig of mint. Enjoy your perfectly chilled, homemade mojito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.